Affiliate marketing for beginners. Make $500 per day in 2025. Did you know that some people are making $500 to $10,000 per day just by recommending products online? And they don't even own these products. Affiliate marketing has completely changed the way people earn money online. The best part? It requires no inventory, no customer service, and no upfront costs. In this video, I'll break down step-by-step how you can start affiliate marketing in 2025, even if you're a complete beginner. Section 1. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is when you promote someone else's product or service and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. Think about it. Amazon, Shopify, and even Apple have affiliate programs. They want people like you to promote their products. Example. Let's say you sign up for Amazon Associates, share a link to a laptop, and someone buys it. You earn a commission without handling shipping or customer service. Section 2. Best niches for affiliate marketing in 2025. Picking the right niche is the difference between making pennies and making thousands. Here are the top high-paying niches in 2025. 1. AI and tech. Software, automation tools, AI courses. 2. Finance and investing. Crypto, stock trading platforms, budgeting apps. 3. Health and wellness. Weight loss programs, supplements, fitness gear. 4. Online education. Skillshare, Udemy, Coursera affiliate programs. 5. Luxury goods. Watches, high-end gadgets, designer fashion. Pro tip. Always choose a niche you're passionate about. It makes content creation easier and more sustainable. Section 3. Top high-paying affiliate programs. Not all affiliate programs are equal. Some pay 1%, while others pay up to 75%. Here are the top programs in 2025. Amazon Associates. General products, lower commission but high trust. ClickBank, digital products, up to 75% commission. Shopify affiliate, recurring commissions from store. Subscriptions. Bluehost, web hosting, pays $65 plus per referral. Course Just-Share Udemy, online courses, growing demand for e-learning. Action tip, always choose programs with high commissions and recurring revenue when possible. Section 4, how to get traffic to your affiliate links. No traffic means no sales. Here's how you can drive massive traffic to your affiliate link, eReWest. Free traffic strategies. YouTube SEO. Create videos around trending searches like best laptops for students 2025 and include affiliate links in the description. Blogging. Write comparison articles, Shopify versus WooCommerce, which one is better, and rank them on Google. Social media growth. Use Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest to post viral content with affiliate links. Reddit and Quora marketing. Answer questions with valuable insights and drop your affiliate links subtly. Paid traffic strategies. Google Ads. Run ads targeting high-intent keywords like best online business software. Facebook ads. Promote affiliate landing pages to highly targeted audiences. Influencer marketing. Partner with micro-influencers to promote your links. Example, case study, John, a beginner, made $5,000 in 2 months by ranking TikTok videos about AI tools and linking them to affiliate programs. Section 5, scaling to $10,000 per month. Once you start earning consistently, it's time to scale. Here's HowW. Build an email list with lead magnets, like free ebooks. Email marketing converts visitors into repeat buyers. Create automation funnels using tools like System.io or ClickFunnels to run autopilot sales. Outsource content creation once you start making money. More content equals more affiliate links equals more commissions. Final call to action. Affiliate marketing changed my life, and it can change yours too. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more strategies. Check out the description for free resources and my recommended affiliate programs. See you in the next video.